Making sense of challenges in remote environments is hard. Remote environments pose challenges that face-to-face environments do not. One of my favorite liberating structures, microprocesses, is Conversation Café. And I've done some great Conversation Cafés in a face-to-face settings. Just look up the link down below for Liberating Structures. What I want to share with you today is a true secret about a Conversation Café done remotely and how you can overcome these challenges. Conversation Café is about letting people make sense of the challenges in their environments. So if you have people on site and they're all in the same room, you can get the setting and facilitate well with one or two people as facilitators. In a remote environment, you need to create the right structure and process to make this work for you. The way I do that, using mostly Zooms because I love the Zoom breakout rooms, I first pose the question to the team and I use either impromptu networking or 1, 2, 4 all for that wicked question. Again, look up those previous videos down below, and if you like them, please join my channel. And then I let people opt in, come up with 4 or 5 answers, and I've done that with 50 and 70 people on a Zoom call, on a Zoom conference. And I create, with the help either myself or a facilitator, I create 5 rooms. Now the trick here is instead of assigning people to the room, you do an opt-in. And you have the rule of 2 feet. You let people know that they can stay in the room as long as they have something to contribute to that room, and they can move between the rooms. It's up to them. There's a lot of freedom. I love the liberty and freedom that Liberating Structures offers in a remote setting. I let people roam the rooms for about 20 minutes. Now, another key secret here is to have someone do the note-taking in that room, be the leader of the room, make sure that the discussion is happening there. So the key for a Conversation Café done remotely in a remote environment is to make sure that you have the process right, gather the ideas for those challenges ahead of time, and then post them up as the names for those breakout rooms, and let people opt in. Rather than selecting people to the room, opt in. Make sure you have someone to lead the discussion in that room. Then everyone comes back, then leader will then debrief what the discussion was, and then you can have a follow-up discussion, maybe do another 1, 2, 4 all to have a conversation about the summary of how the team makes sense of those challenges in the specific rooms. Maybe they come up with some ideas and solutions. Maybe then you can follow up with the 15% solution, and there's some other really amazing liberating structure ideas that I'll be sharing in the next couple of months so you can follow up with this Conversation Café. It's a guaranteed result. I've done this so many times now in the last year and a half and before with remote environments. Conversation Café done remotely with a little preparation, gears, and creates amazing results. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm Michael Neer. See you next time.